Hello everybody, welcome to another biology video. Today I'm going to be talking about frogs, specifically poison dart frogs, and specifically green and black poison dart frogs. Green and black poison dart frogs have got military style camouflage, just like my father here. But they're pretty easy to spot due to their bright colors, because they're poisonous. And bright colors signify that, oh, I'm poisonous, please don't lick me, because I am not very delicious to eat, and I'm poisonous, so you'll also die. You gotta be careful so it doesn't jump on me, because then I'm gonna be dead. That's not gonna be fun. This is a wild one we just found. Hope we can somehow film it. There were two. Don't know where the other one's gone, but this one is just sitting here. The reason they're called poison dart frogs is because a long time ago, ancient American tribes would use their poison to hunt. How they would get their poison on their darts and arrows? They would rub the arrows on their skin because the poison is actually on their skin. The most poisonous poison dart frog in the world lives in Colombia and is called the golden poison dart frog. This poison dart frog has enough poison on its skin to kill up to 10 grown men. Like other poison dart frogs, green and black poison dart frogs are a lot less poisonous, or not poisonous at all, when they're held in captivity. Why, you might be asking? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Scientists have been led to believe that they get their poison from animals they eat, like ants and mites. Green and black poison dart frogs are actually great parents, just like wolf spiders. After females lay the eggs, males and females will care for them. Sometimes they even urinate on the eggs, just to make sure they're not going to dry out. After a few weeks, the tadpoles will hatch from their eggs, and they will climb or swim onto their mother's back. The parents climb up onto the ball-like plant to put their tadpoles inside, and because the ball-like plant carries water, it's perfect for tadpoles to mature. I would say they're probably one of my favorite frogs. They're probably actually my favorite frog in general. Oh, it's moving again. I hope we'll be able to see some other poison dart frogs in our stay in Costa Rica. Tonight, we're going to go on a little hunt for frogs and other amphibians, like salamanders. Hope we find a bunch. You know what I'm most interested to find? Well, red-eyed tree frogs. You've probably all heard of them. They're probably the most well-known frogs in the whole world. But here's something that none of us has really stopped to consider. Why do they have red eyes? What's the point in them? Well, I can explain that to you. Red-eyed tree frogs are nocturnal, and they use their green color to camouflage themselves on the leaves they live on. While they're sleeping, they tuck in their legs and close their eyes. And because of this camouflage, they're pretty much impossible to find. I don't know how we found them, but we did. Well, in the evening when they're hunting for insects, they'll have their eyes open and just hunt, like normal. But when they hear that a predator is coming nearby, they'll tuck in their legs and close their eyes. And when they know it's really close, they'll open their eyes to confuse the predator and make it think, what? It was just a leaf, but now it's starting moving, and because of its bright color, it's probably poisonous, so I better get away. And like this, the frog will jump away to safety. Another frog I'm desperate to find is the lemur frog. It's critically endangered and almost extinct. And let's just stop to consider something. Scientists, you should not be naming animals another animal which they're not. Lemur frog. They're not lemurs, okay? But there's actually a reason they called it the lemur frog. Because lemur means spirit of the dead. And their eyes look kind of ghostly. Another reason I think they called it lemur is because it uses all 4 of its legs to walk, not leap like other frogs. And to end the video, I'd like to give you 3 survival tips. Survival tip number 1, don't listen to my survival tips. Survival tip number 2, If you have a flashlight, don't hold it up to your chest at night. Hold it up to your head like this. Then you'll see little sparks in the grass. The ones that glitter are spiders, which are rather venomous, so be careful. And the ones that don't glitter are frogs and might be some other creatures. And finally, survival tip number 3, don't get lost in the forest because it's not fun. Mom! Dad! Where are you? Poison dart frogs are diurnal, which makes them pretty easy to spot for a human being because we're also pretty much diurnal, unless you're a vampire. Bright colors usually signify that animals are poisonous. First of all, they don't taste good, they taste bitter and salty at the same time.
How do you know that?
I don't know, it's just a
You
prediction.
licked that?
Yes, yes.